Hey everybody, Tu here with Where to Next, and we're here in Forks, Washington, checking out the whole rainforest, and got a lot of beautiful panoramic views. Nature trails of varying length and difficulty penetrate the rainforest. Here, plants grow upon plants, woven together in a dense tapestry. A very beautiful visitor center at the Hoh Rainforest. Through a great variety of rainforest vegetation, this 1¼ mile spruce trail leads to the Hoh River. Average hiking time is 1½ hours. Striking features set the stage for river and forest symphonies. From gravel bars and river pools to big leaf maples dripping with epiphytes. An avenue for salmon and a scavenging site for black bears, the Hoh River churns with life. Red alders, willows, and cottonwoods help stabilize the riverbanks. Cloudy teal waters carry glacier sediments from Mount Olympus to the sea. All tracks lead to the river. Sunlit open glades present a rich interface between forest and river. Providing food, water, and cover, riparian habitats are essential to wildlife. Ospreys, bald eagles, black bears, and river otters visit the Hoh River and its tributaries in search of salmon. After spending time at sea, salmon return to their native waters to spawn and die. Their carcasses fertilize surrounding plants, uniting mountains, forests, and sea. The rainforest has many levels of green. Often the lower story is elk food, vine maple leaves, and low tree branches. Big leaf maples filter the light through arching moss-draped boughs. Look into the clear waters of Taft Creek. In the late fall and winter, coho salmon spawn in stream gravels. The fry emerge in spring and feed in the river for a year before swimming to sea. So this is the Spruce Trail, and we've got the river behind me there. Very, very beautiful. Over 130 wildlife species benefit from salmon, and the remaining fish carcasses decompose and nourish the forests. In their remarkable journey, salmon unite mountains, forests, and sea. What a relaxing time here on the Spruce Trail. Right here, just relaxing at the riverside. As you explore the Spruce Trail, you are standing on top of a former riverbank, a more open area where big Douglas firs have enough light to grow old. There's so much beauty in the rainforest. Having a little picnic here, and this is the Mount Olympus burger at the Hard Rain Cafe.